Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Yesterday I got a little bored while my husband was watching football and decided to do a deep clean of my bedroom. The first thing I like to do here is strip the bedding and get that in the wash, since that takes the longest amount of time. As you can see, we do have a mattress cover on our bed, and I do take that off about once a month and wash it. I do have a deep spring cleaning video I'm going to be putting together, so that will come off. I'll do the baseboards, I'll do all the blinds in the house and everything in that video, so be on the lookout. Next, I move on to dusting. We do have 2 nightstands and a dresser as well, so I go ahead and dust those. Sometimes I feel like 99% of my cleaning is just moving things from one room that they don't belong in to the room that they do belong in. Does anyone else feel that way? You'll notice here I have some paperwork that I have to take and put in our office. At some point while I'm cleaning, I always like to light a candle or add oil to my diffuser, and this is peppermint and lemon oil, and it really helps just to freshen up the room and keep me motivated while I'm cleaning. I just have to point out the little bunny slippers that I have on today. I got these for my birthday. They are so cozy. In this day, it was freezing and I just couldn't get warm, so I had to put them on while I was cleaning. Look at the little bunny tail. Once I wrapped that dusting, I decided to move on and take down the curtains so that I could wash those. I had been eyeballing these curtains for days, knowing that they needed to be washed, so I finally got around to it. Having the curtains down also gave me the perfect opportunity to dust the top of the blinds, dust the window sills, and get that all cleaned up as well. I have to say, cleaning of the blinds and curtains and things like that is something that I still haven't been able to nail down a great schedule for. So if you guys would, let me know in the comments below if there's a specific time of year that you do this, or multiple times a year. I'd love to get an idea of what you guys do, so maybe I can nail down a schedule for getting these things done routinely. And finally, it's time to bring the room back together, putting the curtains back up, making the bed. I do still have the diffuser going to just keep the room nice and fresh. I did use my dryer balls with lavender oil to dry the sheets and blankets this time, so it really makes them feel and smell so luxurious, almost like a hotel. Seriously, don't make my bed as much as I should, and every time that I do, I'm so happy that I did, because it just pulls the whole room together and makes the whole room feel so neat and clean and welcoming. Does anybody else feel that way? guys are wondering where anything in my bedroom is from, the quilt came from Walmart, as did the Love You More throw pillow. There's another small throw pillow that lights up that came from Toys R Us when they were going out of business. The blanket on the back of the chair, the gray one there and the yellow one that was there before, both came from Marshall's. And the diffuser I ordered on Amazon. One thing I do love about the diffuser is you can have it rotate colors, have it set to one color, or have it off in case you want to have it diffusing while you're sleeping. And that's a wrap today, y'all. I hope this video gave you some ideas and motivation for things to do to make your bedroom feel welcoming. Sometimes I need a little extra push, but once I do it, I feel so relaxed. My bedroom is truly my little getaway, and I love it when I can make it feel that way. You guys let me know in the comments below how you make your bedroom feel welcoming. I'll see you in the next video.